Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Profit Show. Today, we are diving into one of the most mysterious and highly sought-after coins in the world. A coin that has stunned collectors, shocked dealers, and fascinated numismatists for decades. This is the legendary 1953 D. Lincoln Wheat Cent, a small copper coin that has turned into a jaw-dropping fortune worth an astonishing $12 million. And in this video, I am going to reveal step-by-step how this ordinary-looking penny transformed into one of the most valuable treasures in numismatic history. So stay with me until the very last moment, because each second of this story hides a secret that you cannot miss. Now, before we jump deeper, I want you to picture this. You are holding a penny that looks like every other coin in your pocket. But imagine this single coin could pay off your house, buy you luxury cars, and even leave a legacy for generations. This is exactly the magic behind the 1953 D. Lincoln Wheat Cent. But why is it so special? What makes it command millions while most other pennies are barely worth a cent? The answer lies in its rarity, its grade, its history, and its condition. The Lincoln Wheat Cent series was introduced in 1909 to honor President Abraham Lincoln on his 100th birthday. The wheat ears on the reverse symbolize prosperity and unity. This design continued until 1958, making these coins a beloved chapter in American numismatic history. But in 1953, something unusual happened at the Denver Mint. The 1953 D pennies came out with striking differences. Rare, die varieties, and minting peculiarities. And among them, a few coins were struck with nearly perfect precision. So flawless, so pristine that they entered a league of their own. Now here comes the twist: the value of a coin. Like this is not only determined by its age or rarity, it depends heavily on grading. And collectors know that grading is everything in numismatics. Professional companies like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC Numismatic Guarantee Company evaluate coins under strict standards, assigning grades based on strike luster color, and most importantly, preservation. A 1953 D wheat cent in average circulated condition might only be worth a few cents, but a flawless example graded MS67 or MS68 by PCGS or NGC can skyrocket to values unthinkable to the casual observer. Let me hold you in suspense right here, because the exact coin we are talking about was certified by experts as a top-grade mint state. Example one of the very few known to exist in such condition. And this certification is exactly what transformed it from pocket change into a multi-million-dollar masterpiece. But let us step back for a moment and analyze the coin physically. A 1953 D. Lincoln Wheat Cent is composed primarily of copper, with a diameter of 19 millimeters, a thickness of 1.55 millimeters, and a weight of 3.11 grams, small and simple, yet powerful enough to change lives. The obverse features the familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner, while the reverse proudly displays the twin wheat stalks framing the words 1 cent and United States of America. And just below the date sits the mint, Mark D, representing the Denver Mint collectors often ask what exactly makes this coin worth $12 million. And here is where the suspense intensifies. Only a handful of these coins survived in such breathtaking condition, untouched by circulation, preserved almost like time capsules. Some were possibly saved by collectors from mint rolls. Others escaped the heavy wear of commerce and remained hidden until professional grading revealed their perfection. Now let me tell you a secret known by serious numismatists: coin value is not a fixed number. It is a dance between rarity, demand, and grade. The 1953 D. Lincoln Wheat Cent represents the perfect storm. It is rare in its condition. It has historical significance, and it carries immense demand among top-tier collectors and wealthy investors who want the prestige of owning something nearly impossible to replace. When two such collectors compete in an auction, the price skyrockets, and that is how we arrive at valuations in the millions. Suspense builds even higher, because many viewers are wondering, how can you know if your coin is valuable? Could you possibly have one of these treasures sitting unnoticed in a jar of pennies? The first step is to carefully inspect the coin. Look for the date 1953 and the D mint mark below it. Then check the condition. If the coin shows scratches, heavy wear, or dullness, it is likely not among the million-dollar specimens. But if it shines with luster, crisp details, and almost no marks, then you may be holding something extraordinary. This is where coin grading companies like PCGS and NGC come into play. They provide authentication and a standardized grade that the market trusts. Without this certification, no serious buyer will pay top dollar. Once certified, the coin can be sold at major auctions, such as heritage auctions, Stack's Bowers, or through private dealers specializing in rare numismatics. These are the right selling places. Never attempt to sell a coin like this casually, online or at a pawn shop, because you will never achieve its true value. But let us raise curiosity further. What if your coin is not in top condition? Is it still worthless? Not at all. Even moderately graded examples of the 1953 D wheat cent can fetch premium prices, and some rare die varieties like doubled dies or repunched mint marks can add significant extra value. This is where the knowledge of numismatic terminology becomes essential. Terms like uncirculated mint, state red, brown, and full strike are the language of collectors. Understanding them empowers you to recognize potential treasures others may overlook. So let me give you a brief insight into grading terminology. When a coin is described as red, it means the original copper. Color remains vibrant, which collectors value highly. Brown means the copper has toned darker over time, and red-brown is the middle ground. The 1953 D wheat cent is especially valuable in red mint state condition with minimal contact marks combined. That with a high numeric grade, like MS67 or MS68, and suddenly, you are staring at a multi-million-dollar coin. Now take a deep breath, because we are entering the climax of this story. One of these exact coins, graded at the top level, was auctioned for a staggering $12 million, making it one of the most valuable Lincoln wheat cents in existence, and this event forever cemented its place in coin collecting history. Imagine the suspense at that auction room, every bid climbing higher, every collector waiting in silence until the hammer finally dropped, sealing the fate of this tiny copper piece. And here is something fascinating. Collectors treat coins like these not only as investments, but as artifacts of history. Every scratch or mark tells a story. Every preserved detail is a glimpse into the past. The 1953 D wheat cent represents a bridge between ordinary commerce and extraordinary value. A reminder that even the smallest items can carry immense power. So what can you, as a viewer, do? First, I urge you to search through your own collection or even jars of pennies in your home. You never know what treasure might be hiding there. Second, if you find a 1953 D Lincoln wheat cent in excellent condition, immediately consider professional grading. Without it, you cannot unlock the true value. And third, educate yourself more about numismatics, because knowledge is the key that separates fortune from missed opportunity. Now, before we reach the end, let me set one last cliffhanger. What if I told you that even though this coin is worth $12 million, there might still be undiscovered examples out there sitting quietly waiting for someone like you to find them? Imagine being that person. The thrill of discovery, the moment of realization, the possibility that your coin is the next record breaker. And this is where I invite you to take action. If you enjoyed this journey into the mystery of the 1953 D Lincoln wheat cent, then please like this video to show your support. Drop a comment below telling me what coin you would love to see covered next. And most importantly, subscribe to Profit Show, because every week we uncover hidden treasures of the coin collecting world, sharing values, history, and insights that you cannot find anywhere else. Remember, this community is about more than coins. It is about passion, discovery, and the excitement of chasing the unknown together. We will continue to unlock secrets of rare currency, numismatics, and the astonishing stories behind them. So make sure you stay subscribed, share this video with other collectors, and never miss an opportunity to learn about the next coin that could change your life. And with that, my friends, we conclude our suspenseful journey into the story of the 1953 D Lincoln wheat cent. A coin that proves even the smallest piece of copper can hold unimaginable wealth. Until next time. This is Profit Show signing off, reminding you to keep searching, keep collecting, and keep believing in the extraordinary world of coins.